after a judge ruled that Arizona Beverage Company, maker of Arizona iced tea, is worth $2 billion, its co-founders are now battling over the payout. The Deal's reporter Sarah Pringle has been covering the court case. Supreme Court Justice Timothy Driscoll of Nassau County in New York ruled that one of the largest private and independent beverage companies in the U.S. is worth the $2 billion price tag. The ruling stems from a dispute between co-founders Domenick Vultaggio and John Ferolito dating back to 2005 and centers on Ferolito's desire to sell his half of the company. But Vultaggio, as the result of an agreement that requires the consent of both if either of the co-founders desire to unload his stake, has blocked Ferolito's attempts to sell. Now that Driscoll has ruled, valuing Ferolito's 50% stake at $1 billion, Vultaggio is arguing that he will not be able to pay that amount based on the company's cash flow of nearly $400 million. The judge, also not convinced that Vultaggio will be able to pay, has set a new court date on November 13th to take up the matter. Regardless of the outcome, even if Vultaggio is ultimately ordered to pay the $1 billion in an expedient manner, over the long run it may prove to be his biggest victory. With independent publicly traded companies such as Monster Beverage Co. trading north of 20 times Ebitda, the parent of Arizona iced tea could be worth a great deal more than the $2 billion valuation assigned it. It was in 2010 that Arizona generated close to $170 million in Ebitda. In fact, if Arizona Beverage Company continues to generate a similar or greater amount of Ebitda today as it did in 2010, it could obtain leverage of more than $800 million and be valued at more than $3.4 billion. I'm Richard Collins with The Deal Report.